Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Android 14 smartphones. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store first. Then in the top search, enter Firefox. Here we'll be able to install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Here we can customize the browser with a different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers and devices, change privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, select Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.